Hello and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today's box comes from a slightly different corner of the archive and it's a real conversation starter. This is the Dimetrodon. Originally released in 1978, the example we're looking at here is a USAirfix boxing from 1980, complete with a unique box front created specifically for the US market. It was last seen in the range in 1989, and it's fair to say these kits have become proper fan favourites over the years. So would you like to see dinosaur kits make a comeback? Let us know in the comments below. Opening the box, there's a little mystery straight away. Someone's clearly got a head start, as quite a few parts are missing, though thankfully the main components are still here. The most striking piece is the spine, if that's the technical term, moulded as one large single part. The body, or fuselage if you like, is split into two main halves, keeping the overall construction pleasingly simple. The head is particularly eye-catching, it's surprisingly frightening, with very good detail for the era, and it gives the model a lot of character straight out of the box. The instructions look decidedly old school and do a good job of highlighting just how straightforward the build could be. But of course, while the construction might be simple, the real challenge would almost certainly be the painting, especially bringing that iconic sail to life. If you've enjoyed this look back through the archives, don't forget to like and subscribe for more retro unboxings.